Okay. My name is Bright Kwamina Grandson. Welcome to the Grandson Maths Academy. Yes. Today we'll be solving some questions here. Like and subscribe, okay? So let me put this hashtag here. Now we have a question from permutations and combination. Right. It's not come yet to come, don't worry to come. So let me do the recording. This question says that how many numbers greater than 150 can be formed from the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 if no repetition is allowed? Can you hear the voice? Play it, let me see. So now let's continue. So you can follow the real time with me later. Go and watch this thing. Now, we say numbers greater than 150. How many digits do we have here? We have the digits. We have the digits 1. Let me include the font size and the pen size here. How many digits do we have? We have 1, 2. Black. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 digits. So if you want something greater than 150, than 150, it means I can get a 4-digit number and I can also get what? A 5-digit number. Are you okay? Put this one. So if I want a 4-digit number, so for 4-digit number, we want a 4-digit number. So how many boxes do we have? 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. I need to draw a box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I want a 4-digit number. I want to know how much you want WhatsApp. I want a 4-digit number from this one because a 4-digit number and a 5-digit number is also greater than 150. So if I have, and they say no repetitions, right? Listen to this one, no repetitions. This thing, whenever you hear no repetition, it basically means this is how you write it: no repetitions. So what do you get in mind? N permutation R. Right? So now we have 5 numbers. We want to insert it into what? 4 boxes. So 5 permutation what? 4. Now when we have 5 permutation 4, the best approach to do it is that 5 permutation 4 is equal to just multiply 5 downwards 4 times. So 5, 4, 3, 2, then you end. How many multiplications do we have? We have what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 5 permutation 4. Multiply 5 downwards. How many times? 4 times. So you can respond. Now, we've done this. So what is the answer for this one? 5 for 20. 20 times 3, 60. 60 times 2, 120. Right? Now, for 5-digit numbers, because any 5-digit number from here is also greater than 150. So that one is going to be what? 4 boxes. 5 boxes. 2. 3, 4, 5. Right? So we have what? No repetitions. No repetitions. So N permutation R. So how many? 5 permutation 5. Right? So 5 permutation 5, no? When you punch it on a calculator, let me take my calculator. It's what? It's 120 na calculator number. Maybe it's there I should run. So 5 permutation what? 5. It's 120. And 5 permutation 5 is the same as. No, I don't have the key. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 because I'm multiplying out how many times? 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So that one also gives you what? 120. 120. Now, after I've done this, I also want to find 3-digit numbers that are greater than what? 150. Right? So for 3-digit numbers, For 3-digit numbers, it means I have 3 boxes. Right? My boxes are terrible. Right? If I start with 1, I have how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here. 5 in the command here. Right? If I have this numbers and I want to insert here, and I want to start with only 1, and I put 1 here, then it means I have only one way of putting 1 here. And because I want to form a number greater than 150, automatically here should be what? 5. So if I put 5 here, I have only what? Another 1 way. Are you getting it? So they are multiplying. Now that this one is gone, friend is saying 1 is gone and 5 is also gone. It means I have how many possibilities? 3 possibilities to fill this area. So I can write what? I can write 2, I can write 3, I can write 4. So that means I have 3 ways of filling that spot. So 3 ways. When I multiply all of this, it's the same as what? 1 times 1, 1 times 3, 3. Right? Then after that, I'll have to add another possibility whereby a number is greater than what? 150. So it's starting from what? 200 and something. Right? Let me scroll down. So this is another case where I have 3 boxes and I'm filling it with what? A number. Now this time around, I'm not starting with 1. Because I'm not starting with 1, I have the possibility of starting with 2, 3, 4, 5. Are we okay? So I can fill these numbers with any number. I can fill this place with number 1. I can write 2 here. I can write what? 3. I can write 4. I can write 5. So that gives me how many number of ways? 1, 2, 3, 4 ways. 4 ways. But when I come here, now I can use 1. What's the previous one? I can't use 1 in the first box. 1 is not allowed. But if I use any of these 4 numbers, it means I still have 1. I can use 1 and any of the other 3 numbers left. So if I come here, I can use what? 1. I can use what? For example, if I'm using 2 and 2 is filling this box, right? 2 has been registered. It means I can use what? 1, 3, 4, and what? 5. And that tells me that I have how many ways? 4 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ways. Right? Now multiply. So if I register 1 here, for example, I register 1 here, then it means how many numbers do I have to fill this place? I can fill this place with how many numbers? 3. So 3, you can talk. 4, 5.
Okay.
And listen. So it means over here, the number of ways I can fill this place is what? 3 ways. If a black pen intro. Where's the black pen? 3 ways. Right. So over here, when you multiply 4, 4, 16. 16 times 3. 40. 16 times 3. 48. To 48. So now I'm going to add all these possibilities. So that's my scroll button. Now, what is the other one? What is the 4 combination for? This one. 4 permutation 5. Oh, it's at the top. I was not seeing it. So now, this one will come 120 as a 5 permutation 4 plus 5 permutation what? 5 plus the 3 plus the 48. And this is a 120. Hey, what am I writing? 120 plus, let me move the ink to shape. Another 120. This 120 is coming from this direction. Right. And this 122 is here. Plus the 3. Plus the 48. Right. So when we add all of them together, easy job. 120 plus 120 plus 3 plus 48. Now I got 48. 291. So 291 are 291. So that's the solution for this question. Right. There are other techniques you can also use. You can use the permutation, but I think this is the best approach. The box box method. Okay, so I hope you understand.
Yeah.